Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's my customer thank you card that I sent out to everybody who came shopping with me in July. And I made 3 colour versions of these, so I wanted to show you 2 of them. So this version is Smoky Slate, Rococo Rose and Mint Macaron. And the version I'm going to make now is Crumb Cake, Terracotta Tile, and it will be with the same Mint Macaron. Super easy to make. I thoroughly enjoyed making these. I was using the Tasteful textures and I thought, oh, it looks just gorgeous. So I wanted to make different colour variations, and you know me, I like to do different ones. So, and it says, make time to do what makes your soul happy, which just seemed to me to be the perfect thing to say. Right, so I'm going to have that one on there, that one on there. This one, I've got to line it up. Let's make sure my words are the right way round. There, okay, so Crumb Cake, Terracotta Tile, Mint Macaron. So I'm coming in with this colour first. And off to one side. Love that colour, Mint Macaron. Does anybody remember it when it was an in colour? And then it disappeared and we were like, oh! And then it came back and we were like, yay! So, Crumb Cake on there. Ooh, doesn't that look lovely? And then Terracotta Tile down at the bottom, and I've got to line up my grid paper this time. And make time to do what makes your soul happy. The other colour combination is grey granite and pretty peacock. I can never remember. I always want to call it peacock blue. It's not. It's pretty peacock. And they were a lot of fun to make. Unfortunately, I was away on the incentive trip in July, and then my children broke up from school. When did they break up? 19th of July. So it really is a crazy busy month for me. So these were done piecemeal. Okay, and then to finish, 5 rhinestones in the centre of those flowers. Now there is a die that goes with this set, and it will do, whoopsie, it will do, oh, I've missed one out, the sort of relief of that shape. So there's 2 of them. Shall I do the 3rd one? Let's do the 3rd one. Although I'm going to have to cut a piece of Whisper White, so bear with me while I cut some white cardstock up. Okay. In for a penny, in for a pound and all. So I'm just going to trim this down. Size I want it. I need to quickly clean my stamps. So, move those 2 out of the way and bring in the pretty peacock and grey granite. And I've got my Stamparatus. No, it's not a Stamparatus. This is my Stampin scrub. So I'm going to put my Stampin Mist on one side. Clean it up, dry it, and then this one I need to clean and dry as well. I don't need to do the Mint Macaron because that's all good. Oh, thump the tripod while I'm here. I didn't cut it to the right length. No, I think it's this one that's not cut to the right length. Here we go, that's cut to the right length now. Okay, so come back in with Mint Macaron. And I've got banging doors. Pop that out of the way. Grey granite there, and then pretty peacock. Again, line up my cardstock on my grid paper. bottom. And then finish with rhinestones again. Should I do smaller ones this time? Yeah, let's do smaller ones. I had a real mix and match thing going on anyway, because I used up many multiple sheets of the rhinestones. 5 on each. That's a lot. I'm just going to say that's a couple of thousand. There you go, 3 different colour variations. And my first one, which I did as a 10-fold. They're lovely, I think so. Oh, look at that, less than 6. I did 2 cards in less than 6 minutes. Wow. Okay. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.